Late.
Oh, why couldn't I marry another? Should've listened to my mother. Colt! Oh, God! Riley! What the hell?
I'm sorry. Did I ruin your chances of becoming a band member of the Showerhead Boys?
You can't turn on the sink when someone's in the shower. It messes with the hot to cold ratio.
Yeah,
And
okay.
Showerhead men. 1, 2, 3, 4.
What do you want for breakfast?
She's a sunset stripper, a Hollywood freak. She ain't coming to your party unless she walking for free. She got friends spending ends and a Mercedes Benz. Hike her skirt up to the rest so she can show off the legs.
We just defiled our fridge.
Well, we do have to christen the place.
Yeah, but every room, not every item.
Oh, good, I was worried. Sex in the furnace would hurt. I have delicate butt cheeks.
Oh, I'm so glad you're pretty.
Guess where I just had sex? Ugh. Look, it's my loser of a brother.
Oh, look who went out for a walk. Of shame. So whose penis did you hitchhike last night?
His name is Carson, and he's a florist.
Well, he's not the first to water your garden.
At least my garden gets watered.
What's that mean?
Ask your wife.
Ask me what?
Oops.
I hope you die in a hole.
Oh, nothing. Just wondering if your flowers are watered today.
Marley, what?
Oh, actually they're not. They do look very dry.
I think they're drowning in water.
Are you kidding? The stem is shriveled. So please water them. I have to go.
Ugh, fine.
Are you okay?
Oh, look, your gag reflex just kicked in.
Gag reflex. That's a good one.
Yeah, okay. I didn't like giving blowjobs. All's good.
Was she dropped on her head as a baby?
No.
Jeesh.
Claire, have you been watching the news?
No, why?
It's Cassidy.
I may be a lot of things, but I'm not a murderer.
I hope for your sake that's true.
Everyone thinks I'm guilty.
I'm going to prove that you're innocent. So, tell me about the florist who explored your Garden of Eden last night.
What is up with all the garden references? And thank you, that was the nicest one yet. Anyways, there's not much to tell. Classic hit and run.
Oh.
I'm being deployed to Iraq.
Oh my god, you're in the army?
I gotta go. Kill. Bye.
Oh, hey! Don't forget your extra boob.
Thanks.
That was so poetic. Your life is like a romance novel for sex offenders.
That is so childish of you.
In the fridge? How does that work?
We're flexible.
You know what? You should lend me Olivia because I'd like to try that. But not in a fridge. In my bar, where you drink for free.
That's fine. I'll trade for a night. How good is your wife?
I was joking, you idiot.
I totally was too, dude. I love Riley, but it's just that she's not...
Okay.
I'm gonna shut up now. Did you know we finally picked out our...
Yeah, I don't care.
Hey, Adam.
Don't look at my wife or I'll kill you.
Oh.
Yeah.
The spell is complete. Soon enough she'll be one of us.
What's happening?
What will she become?
A piece of hell.
We're coming to get you.
We're coming to get you.
To get you. To get you. To get you.
You know, when all is said and done, what we have is simple. I think the best foundation for a relationship is what we have.
What foundation?
Don't be funny.
Okay, fine.
Why are you making me a drink? You never bring work home.
Why does there have to be a reason? You're my wife, and I wanted to fix you a drink. And this is gonna sound really random, but you mean everything to me. I'd probably die if you ever left me.
What would you do if I did?
Pee in your closet on all your pretty dresses.
I'll never leave you.